Hello everyone, I'm Father Alex Harb, and I'm here with Vivian and Feiruz, and we will be cooking a few Lenten dishes. The first dish that we'll be cooking is eggplant based. It's called musa'a. It uses eggplant, chickpeas, tomato, onion, pepper, and garlic. And we're drizzling oil on the pan, which will make for good crispiness and keep the eggplant from sticking to the bottom of the pan. To start, we'll put just the eggplant in the oven. The musa'a is in the oven at 350 degrees with vegetable oil, drizzled so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Right now we're chopping the onions, and we're going to saute the onion.
Now we're gonna add olive oil.
Now we're dicing the tomato. Here we're dicing the tomato for the musa'a. The mix of the chickpeas and the tomato and the eggplant is what gives it its flavor. Here we have the eggplant out of the oven.
Cooked. Then we're gonna add it to the pot, to all the mixture. The onion,
Tomato, chickpeas, garlic, peppers. Here we have the musa'a, all finished and beautifully displayed.